Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Microsoft Excel. So the first thing we want to do is create a new blank workbook. So here we can see our interface. We can see the title bar, which consists of the title, the quick access toolbar, the Microsoft search bar, and minimize, change size, exit, and then we have things like upcoming features, my benefits, and your account if you're signed in. So right below the title bar is called the ribbon, and here are your various tabs. And each tab you select has a different ribbon, all with various commands under the ribbon. And here we have row headings, column headings, the name box, the formula bar, and these things that say undo, clipboard, font, alignment, number, style, cells, editing, analysis. These are called groups. The ribbon changes with different groups as you select different tabs depending on the function you want to accomplish with said tabs. So let's start off by making ourselves an Excel sheet. You can always make another sheet if you go down here to the little plus sign in the bottom left and click New Sheet. But right now we're going to make ourselves a sheet here. So, what kind of sheet do we want to make? I think I want to make the sheet of the top selling video games of all time. We need the name of the game, we need the year it was released, number of copies it sold, see what else we might want. If we have any information on the budget, that would be helpful. And maybe how much it grossed domestically, and how much it grew internationally. So one interesting feature of Excel is you can double click this line over here and it will automatically fill what you've put down for you. So I'm going to go ahead and get my information on the best-selling games from IGN. Red Dead Redemption comes in 10th place. So we want to go down here and 1, 2, 3. We want to paste it. Now we want to do the same for all the other games. In 9th place is Pokemon Gen 1, which encompasses both Pokemon Red and Pokemon Blue for the Game Boy. Super Mario Bros. In 8th place. I remember when Super Mario Bros. Was like one of the top grossing games, and now it's 7 on this list. Overwatch comes in 7th place. Oh yeah, Mario's in 8th place. Got confused for a second. And now we go down to number 6, which is Mario Kart 8 Plus Deluxe, which is for the Switch. And I have a game, it's a really fun game to play. So I'm pasting a bunch of these data points, and PUBG comes in 7th. No. I always get confused between the two. It comes in 5th place. Coming in 4th is Wii Sports. And coming in at 3rd place is Grand Theft Auto 3. And in second place we have Minecraft.